show you how to use the for sale signs for your vehicle. If you put in your vehicle for sale, you can get these at AutoZone or O'Reilly. But let me show you how easy it is to use. I went on and wrote my information on mine. But what you want to do is you need some paper towel and some Windex. Make sure you clean your window really good. And this it's not sticky, it's just plastic. I'm gonna take it off and show you what it looked like. As you see, I'm cleaning the window. Just make sure I get all the dirt and all the other stuff off. Okay, just peel it back right here. And that's all it is, plastic. It's no sticky residue on it or anything. So I'm gonna peel it off and I'm gonna put it on the back of my car. And let me peel it back and show you what it looks like. And you can peel it right off. You get these for $1.99 at your AutoZone. You just pull it back and it's just a piece of plastic, no sticky residue. And that's all you really have to do. And if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and have a great day. You can also purchase these signs in the description below. All right, thank you. Bye.